Hey Google friends! This week's Google Wednesday shares a quick tip to help keep you organized. And you can see we're in our calendar, in our Google Calendar, and if you pull this up and you get this message down here on the bottom, or you see this blue button that says Use New Calendar, I just want to remind you that come February, Google is going to be upgrading everyone. So the sooner that you do it yourself, the more accustomed you'll be to the new look. We're not going to lose any of the Google's features, Google Calendar features. It's just going to have maybe a cleaner, newer look to it. So you can just click on Upgrade Now and got it. And you can see that the calendar looks a little bit newer, cleaner, fresher. Today we're going to be talking about reminders. And if I hover over the reminders over here in my Google Calendar, the three vertical dots up here, and I have an option to switch to tasks. Now, in Google Calendars, you can either have reminders or you can show a to-do list or a task list, but you can't have both. And since I can have a to-do list or a task list in my Google email, I'm going to use reminders here in my calendar. So reminders are pretty easy. All we need to do is just click in a date and time, and you can add your information. Now, if this is a repetitive reminder where, maybe it happens frequently, you can customize this so that it shows up without you having to type in numerous, dates and times. So if this is something that repeats every week or, every 2 weeks, or even, maybe it happens every other day or every other month, however, you can customize that to whatever fits your schedule. So we'll leave it here. And again, maybe it happens every day. Maybe it happens every other day. Maybe it's like a band lesson or something like that that comes every couple of weeks. But you can just click or click to turn these on or toggle them off. And then you can also say, well, when is this going to end? Is it going to end at the end of the school year? Is it going to end, after 20 some lessons, how many ever occurrences it may be? So you can customize this, and then it'll automatically insert those reminders into your calendar. So I'll just go with this. I'll say done. I'll say save. And if we look forward on my calendar, we'll see that it's occurring every couple of weeks, just like we put in there. Now, when you finish something, that's the nice thing about a reminder, is when you click on this, I can say mark as done. And then it goes away. So using Google Calendar features such as Reminder helps you, helps me, helps everybody to help keep your life organized. And so I hope you find this tip handy. This is Dr. Weber signing off. Make it a great week.